We've already found center on the sticker. You just measure across, put the half mark here and here, measure across your windshield, and put a piece of tape down and put the mark on it so that you can line your sticker up and get it centered. Put your corner tape on each end, and your center tape is going to be used to help where you do one side at a time, that way you keep it straight. Once you get that done, you get it where you want it, you'll check and make sure from the bottom up to the bottom of the letters, not the bottom of the sticker, and make sure that it's the same both sides and the center. Ours is. So now you'll want to peel off one corner, fold it over. You're going to peel your sticker off, making sure that the lettering stays on the clear part. So do it slow. It starts to come off, just press it back down. You're going to cut off the backing paper and lay this down. Just like that. Rub it in real good. You're also going to take another piece of tape. You can do this on both sides to make it a little easier. All you're going to do is use the tape as a line-up mark so that when you're laying the tape down or laying the sticker down, you have something that uses a guide. It ain't got to be perfect, just something so you don't get it bad off. Now you're going to pull off your center. Pull off your other corner piece. Pull the sticker up, and starting from the inside out, pull your backing paper, making sure that the lettering stays on the clear. I'm going to take it from the outside, pull it out, and use your tape as the edge. And sometimes it doesn't do just right, and you got to walk it out. Like that. You'll rub it in real good, and then peel it off. Now, since this is a two-piece sticker, you'll have to do the suspension experts below this exactly like we just did this for it to be complete. We've already got the second part of the sticker mocked up here. What you want to do is tape it down the center just like we did the top one, tape the corners, and then you're going to want to measure. You can measure from the bottom of the glass to the bottom of the letter and make sure that it's the same over here and in the center. But you're also going to want to measure from the bottom of this letter to the top of this letter, just to make sure that it's the same all the way across and that it's not running uphill or downhill. And ours is right. So now we've already got our lineup mark went across. So you're going to start with the corner. Peel it off. Sometimes it can be a little aggravating. You have to pull off just right. But just take your time with it and it'll work. Once you get it peeled back, take and cut your backing paper off. You're going to take your sticker. You're going to want to line it up with your lineup mark. And once this stuff touches the glass, it's stuck. So you have to keep it off the glass up here. Pull it tight and lay it down and then rub it out. It doesn't matter if you get any crinkles or anything in the clear part because that's coming off. But if you get any kind of crinkles or anything in the lettering itself, you want to take and rub it out until it rubs the crease out. Because once it's stuck, it's stuck. Alright, and you're going to do the same thing over here. And we use paper tape so that it'll stick to the lettering and won't actually affect the sticker. It'll peel right off. Alright, you're just going to peel the lettering off. If it tries to peel the lettering off the clear, just press it back down and do it again and it'll come off. Just take your time with it and it'll work. Alright, you're going to pull it tight and line it up with your tape mark. And then press it down. And just rub across it, try to get out any kind of air bubbles. Don't worry if it's got any air bubbles in the clear, just on the actual lettering itself, because the clear is going to be pulled off. Alright. And then just peel it off. And that's it.